Hey there, Erica here. FamilyTree DNA African American results. Now, these are results of my maternal side aunt who is 97 years old. So we use FamilyTree DNA swabs to collect the DNA samples. As you see here, the FamilyTree kind of gives you several pages. This page shows you the overview, the matches, the chromosome browser, known relationships, and a page called My Origins. Now, as you see, the results are 91% African, 5% European, and 3% Middle Eastern. And the website also gives you some map images showing you some of the regions that the DNA that they tested or compared it to kind of falls. So as you see, the UK is highlighted. Then you have the Morocco, Tunisia area highlighted. And as we continue down, you'll see Niger, Chad, Cameroon, some of those areas highlighted. Also to note on this page is that they have some shared origins. So this is kind of like a family match. So you see I protected some of the names. But it also shows the African, European, and Middle Eastern percentages of your family matches. Now on this page I expanded some of the results and you see African 91%. Again, it just shows under that West African is 84%, East Central Africa is 4%, South Central Africa is 3%, and then for the European you have 5%, the British Isles is the origin 5%, and then the Middle Eastern 3%, and North Africa is its origin. This company also gives you a chromosome viewer so you can see the detail in the chromosomes, and you can also make comparisons to other people that you match up with. Now you see there are some most common surnames listed at the top, and that's of the people they have in their database. So Holland, there are two for Williams and one for Rhodes. What's unique about this is that the Holland name shows up on my 23andMe ancestry results as well as my male cousin's results, and again here my aunt's results. So this person is showing up as a second to fourth cousin. So there is basically a very high probability that this person is related to us, and based on some of the conversations we've had through the internet, they do have some information that coincides with our family tree, so this is a great thing. But again, this page kind of gives you a breakdown of how much DNA you and your match shares and some of the names and things like that. So again, this is a clearer map showing some of the areas where the DNA from our ancestors were found, and that my aunt matches up with. Of course, you see the UK here listed in Europe. Then as you go down, you see the Morocco, Tunisia area of North Africa. And then continuing to go down, you see the sub-Saharan African areas. So some of the Cameroon area, and some out of Niger, some out of touching Mali, some of those areas, and going way down to the south of Africa. So taking a look at some of those areas, it shows the migrational path of our people. So, of course, Europe was the last place that some of our ancestors were found as they left Africa. But again, being products of or descendants of slaves, some of that European could come as a result of the slave trade and some of the race mixing as a result of that. And again, some of it could be some of the migrational patterns of our African people.